Hello, my name is Reina Ongkata and my registration number is 2705079. Today I would like to tell you about one of the major concepts of linguistics, which the topics are about competence and performance. The famous American linguist Noam Chomsky is the first person who used these terms competence and performance. Competence. According to Chomsky, the term competence specifically refers to a person's intuitive knowledge of the rules and structure of languages as a native speaker. So, what does that mean? It means that the native speaker of language possesses an internalized set of rules which is at base of his ability to understand and speak, and because of that, the actual utterances of the native speaker are only evidence of his competence. So the proof that he is competent is from his ability to understand, speak, and utter his sentences. The example case is while someone is reading a new book, he comes across right from the start new expressions and sentences which he had never read before, but he does not find any difficulty in them. Each sentence is a new construction, but since he had mastered the rules of the language, any number of the new constructions is easily understood. It is proven that because he has mastered the rules and structure of languages, he can understand each the sentence very well. That's why, as Ronald Wadhwa says, the ability a reader has to understand novel sentences derives from his competence in English. Chomsky also said competence is the ideal language system that enables speakers to produce and understand an infinite number of sentences from ungrammatical sentences such as speech errors. Example is when someone's competence also makes him reject the ungrammatical constructions. He knows that the sentence is ungrammatical. Competence also makes him recognize an expression such as command, request, politeness, rough order, and so on. Performance. The term was used by Chomsky to describe the actual use of language in concrete situations. It is also to describe both the production, what we actually produce as utterances which are similar to Chaucer's Perrault. Performance is defined in opposition to competence. Performance is what actually a speaker says, meanwhile competence describes the mental knowledge that a speaker or listener has of language. The example is the sentences that we actually produce often use the more simple grammatical constructions, so the speech is not full of false starts, hesitations, speech errors, and corrections. The actual ways in which we produce and understand sentences are also in the domain of performance. Competence versus performance. What is the difference? In short, competence involves knowing the language and performance involves doing something with the language. Performance contains slip of the tongue and false starts and represents only a small sample of possible utterances, such as when we are delivering a speech, for example, speech errors like what is that? Meanwhile, competence is learning or knowledge of language, which means master the structure of language, such as grammar, spelling, syntax, or sentence formation and punctuation. Why is it important? Because it allows those studying a language to differentiate between a speech error and not knowing something about the language. For example, is in the sentence, we swam in the ocean this weekend. Is this error due to competence or performance? It is most likely that as a native speaker, you are aware how to conjugate irregular verbs in the past, but your performance has let you down in this time. Linguists use the distinction between competence and performance to illustrate the intuitive difference between accidentally saying swimmed and the fact that a child or non-proficient speaker of English may not know that the past tense of swim is swam. This is the reason why you should know the differences between them, and this is the reason why you should learn them very hard. Next, conclusion. Performance is what actually a speaker says. It is a substance, the actual manifestation of his competence. One can understand a speaker's competence by studying his performance. In learning a new language, also it is wiser to develop the basic competence rather than memorize pieces of sentences and phrases. Chomsky also characterized generative grammar of a language as an explicit description of the ideal speaker-hearer's intrinsic competence. The competence-performance distinction also helps us understand that there is no limit to the actual production of sentence. It is possible to produce an infinitely long sentence, but underlying the performance is the ability of the native speakers, which is limited and can be described in terms of a set of principles. I think that's all for my presentation. I hope my presentation will be beneficial for you, and thanks for watching. See you!